All these fancy parking sensors. And it doesn't stop other people from backing into your grill and breaking it. So now we got to put a new grill in this 2024 CRV. Let's see how to do it. We got a brand new grill from Honda. And as you could tell, the bumper cover wraps around it. So bumper cover is going to need to be loosened up. I am not going to try to pull it all the way off because I really don't think we need to do that. We're going to pull the top loose and the sides and sneak our new grill in. There's a couple of clips that'll hold it back in over here. These little ones along the top. Along the sides over here, it looks like there's some fasteners. There, and there. We will need to get all of these popped out. We got a little pry tool to do that. Work on the centers. And then the outer edge of those. There we go. This should come off. Now, what do we got here? There is the two clips that hold the grill. One right in there. I get a light on there. That one. And that one. We got two bolts. A couple more clips. One. Where's the other one? Come on out. There we go. And now you disappeared. Ah, I see you. There's no hiding. 10 millimeter. All right, now we got to work on these ends. We got a Phillips screw right over here. I got a really stubby screwdriver to get in here. You could turn the wheels if you want to get a little more access. We should be okay with this. Get that screw out. There's a clip over here. Pop that out. And another one up in here. Now there's little yellow clips on the back side of this. We could put our fingers back in here, kind of push on them to get this to pop off. See the yellow clips? There's another different clip up here. White clip right there. This is as far as we need to go. We got to get out this other clip, and that should loosen up the end of our bumper. There we go. Now, gently pry on this. I'm going to need two hands. All right, just pry that out. The grill is already starting to come out with us, but there are a little white plastic clip here. See if we can get that with our fingers. There we go. Now we got to loosen up the other side. Got the other side loose now. Oh, I thought it was attached to the car. It must be attached to the inside of the bumper. Let's see where. I thought these tabs were attached to the car. They're attached to the bumper. So we'll figure that out. There is a Phillips head screw on each end. The rest of this has little clips that snap in along here. So you're going to see how to pry it out. You can see part of one that's there since this is busted. Let's get this unscrewed. Like I said, and at this point, if you're changing your headlights, you could get to them here. There's no sense in having to pull the whole thing off completely. Sneak in and get what you need to get done and save some time. You need to pop off all of these wires. They just kind of slide onto those little clips. There is a wire down here that needs to be popped off. The sensor for the grill, that unplugs. A few more wires here. Slide those off. Come on. All right. We'll work on the sensor afterwards. The bracket is already attached onto the new bumper. There's got to be a way to push on it to get it to come out. We'll wait to do that once we get the grill out in our hands. The grill slides in, and there's little clips on this that latch into the bumper itself. So we need to kind of pry on those to get them loose. We could look at the new one and see. Gotta move that in. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's get moving on those. All right. You gotta kind of pry down on that. You could see the blue paint. That's the bumper. That needs to slide back off of that to get these clips unclipped. These are all busted up down over here, so I could probably just push on and release these that way. Same with the rest of the grill. It's all busted. All right, all the clips are out. I used a small screwdriver to get like behind them. Reach my arm around. Some of them, we just pushed them out because it was busted. So now we get to look at this thing. Let's see, we gotta pry this little tab out. There we go. That will give you the Honda badge. And there is the sensor. Let's get the badge out of the way. There we go. Little pry. There. That's how you get it. Almost. Yep. Now we're in there. And now the badge. All right, nice and easy. Try to slide all of these things back in place. Let's see. There we go. It's like all of them clipped in at once. Except for this, let's see. There, that's it. All right. Get to put our screws back in over there and there, and then fit all of our wiring back in place. right. Got our sensor plugged in. Could put our wires back where they belong. Screws are back in. These tabs need to slide in. Kind of see where they go. Same over here. Fit your cover back in place. Put the clip back in and make sure all this is seated. And tighten up your screw. And you're all done. If you like this video, please do me a favor. Like, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Now we got to make sure we don't park near idiots that'll back into our car. Thanks again.